Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the common types of car accidents in Halifax. Unfortunately, every year sees tragic and fatal car accidents. These types of incidents leave families absolutely devastated. And while they bring not only immense emotional pain, they can also result in significant financial stress for surviving family members. Heavy traffic and driver inattention can create the perfect combination of factors, leading to a rear-end collision. These types of accidents are most prevalent during the daylight hours and are often caused by driver inattention or distraction. Depending on the speed at which the collision occurs, these types of accidents can cause vehicle damage and injuries to both drivers and passengers in involved vehicles. High-speed head-on collisions can happen when one vehicle strays into oncoming traffic due to driver inattention, falling asleep at the wheel, driver intoxication, or just poor weather conditions. Because damage to both property and people increases with the speed of a collision, these incidents can be very serious, leading to catastrophic or even fatal injuries. A side impact T-bone collision occurs when a vehicle strikes another at or close to a 90-degree angle, often due to failure to yield at roadway intersections. These accidents can result in severe injuries and occasionally fatalities, as there tends to be less protection present within vehicle side panels. Improving safety features and side panel airbags can help reduce the impact of side impact collisions. When vehicles moving in the same direction make contact, sideswipe accidents occur. The severity of these types of accidents can depend on the speed of the involved cars. Left and right turn accidents happen when drivers don't yield the right of way, and they can be particularly common at uncontrolled intersections. Poorly timed lane changes or failure to adequately check your blind spot can lead to lane change and merging collisions. When a single vehicle leaves the road and collides with a fixed object, it can result in substantial damage and harm to the driver and passengers, especially when these accidents occur at high speeds. Even at low speeds, collisions can occur in parking lots or slow-moving traffic, typically resulting in minimal damage and injuries, but occasionally causing significant injury. Rollover accidents, often caused by swerving or high-speed incidents, can lead to a vehicle turning on its side, roof, or completing a full 360-degree rotation. And finally, in hit-and-run accidents, the responsible vehicle flees the scene after causing damage or injury. To determine who is at fault for a car accident, it is necessary to be able to establish what happened and how it happened. For guidance on what to do if you are involved in any of these types of accidents, please watch our video on what to do following a car accident. Remember, drive carefully and stay safe.